So here I am outside the new Kuantan City Mall, which is still under construction. I'm going to have a little walk around the mall now and show you how it looks. Enjoy. Alright, so this is the Kuantan City Mall. You can see the lettering at the top of the signboard there. They've got the logo and lettering ready. It climbs up 7 stories high. There it is, and it's located right behind East Coast Mall, which you can see here on the right, Kuantan City Mall there. So we're going to have a walk around, starting with the back, which is not so interesting, but nevertheless, we'll show you around the whole mall. So today is the 28th of July, excuse me, the 28th of July 2017. This mall was originally scheduled to be done by August, but after checking the website, it now states 12th of October of this year, 2017. So that leaves about another 3 months to completion. So here we are looking at the new Kuantan City Mall. On the other side is East Coast Mall, the new drop-off pickup zone right there. This is the Putra Square area of Kuantan. So the mall goes up to 7 floors, 7 stories high. There's some gentlemen there having a little chat. Quite breezy right now actually. Just finished walking along the back of the mall, and we'll be looking around the front soon. Okay, so hi. That lady on the motorbike just gave me the peace sign. So here we are at the back corner of Kuantan City Mall. Still got some work going on there. I'm going to try and get across this road and take you down the side of the mall there. Yeah, so we're now coming down the side of the mall. So there's still work going on. Heavy equipment, tractors. Got pallets of something lining the road. There we are. Let's have a look up. This is where the parking for upstairs is going to be. Let's just get out of the way of this truck. There we go. So it's going to upstairs parking will be coming up this way, like that, and around. This and there we have the entry for the basement parking. To be just there. Morning. Morning. So it's all coming on, looking quite exciting. Next we'll be looking at the front corner. Yep, so this is a view of the front corner of the new Kuantan City Mall. So I've been actually tracking the progress of this mall since it was started as pretty much old apartment blocks and then transferred into wasteland, and then preparing the foundations, and then of course growing until it looks like this today. All very exciting stuff for Kuantan. So Kuantan City Mall, that's looking down towards East Coast Mall, which is just situated behind it. This is now the front of the new mall, and we're going to walk across and have a look. a nice quiet morning today in Kuantan. So as you can see, the name of the mall is plastered across the front there. Kuantan City Mall, with the logo, a nice blue K as the logo for this new mall. So let's come back and give you a bigger, wider view. There it is. So as I mentioned earlier in this video, there used to be some old apartment blocks on this piece of land here, and there used to be a mosque as well right beside it. So those apartment blocks have been demolished, people have been resettled. The old mosque, which used to be just at the corner here where the entrance to the upper parking, somewhere around about there, that's been knocked down and the mosque is now gone, and there is a new one just down the road to the left there to make way for yet another shopping mall. Malaysia loves its shopping malls. I'm going to try and get across this road. Here we go, I'm going to run across the road. Alright, so there's just a few months until completion, until it's open to the public. Bring you across, right across the front of the mall now. It's quite amazing when the fact that I've been here all these years and I've seen this part of land change so much. And not just this new mall, but the whole area here, this whole area, which is now known as Putra Square. We've now got East Coast Mall, Kuantan City Mall, we've got Malay Town, Chinatown and India Town. We've got more shop lots right over there. And we've also got the Zenith Hotel and Menara Zenith. So this whole area used to be just wasteland. It was just excuse me, just nothing really, just trees and just wasteland, and actually used to walk across this wasteland to reach Berjaya Mega Mall, which is just a little way behind me. So downtown Kuantan has undergone quite a great transformation, really, and it's been great to be living here all this time and to see it change. There it is. This is a nice little part here with all these glass windows. Looks very clean and neat and professional. There you can see now Menara Zenith in the background. And as we walk a little bit further, we'll be able to see the Zenith Hotel emerging. There it is. And of course in between we have the Sultan Ahmad Shah International Convention Centre. So this is becoming a very popular little place here in Kuantan. If I can get a nice... And of course, just swinging around right behind me, straight over there is Berjaya Mega Mall. And I used to walk to Mega Mall down this road here right in front of me and across here, which used to be just wasteland. It was a little shortcut through to Mega Mall back in the day, back in 2006, 2007, that time many years ago. This is how it looks today though. The face of development is taking control here. There it is. So we're going to have a walk just up the side of the mall, back to where we started at the back corner. So here I am at the front corner of the Kuantan City Mall, which is still under construction here in Kuantan, Pahang, Malaysia. This is quite an attractive part of this new complex with all these lovely glass windows. We're looking at the front of the mall there, and as we walk along, we're going along one side of the mall to the back, and just behind the mall is East Coast Mall, which has been here for several years now. You'll also notice the Zenith Hotel in the background there, and Menara Zenith. There they are. They've also made a little bus stand right there. So it's going to be a new pickup point for Rapid Kuantan buses, I'm guessing, right outside the new mall. Well, I've been living here in Kuantan for 11 years now. It's been a great 11 years. It's been interesting, it's been a roller coaster trying to establish myself and my business and teaching English, becoming a somewhat famous blogger, and seeing Kuantan grow. So over there, look, there we can see a truck coming out actually. That is going to be the exit for the basement parking on this side of the mall. We're almost back where we began. Just walk back to the corner here, the mall. As you can see, they're still busy working on the construction. Banks of sand there, still waiting. But it looks like the outside, the bulk of the outside of the mall is now done, and we're back to where we started now. Hello. There we are. And there's East Coast Mall, just beside the new mall. This is Putra Square in Kuantan. Nicely developed place. That's Kuantan City Mall, ladies and gentlemen. Hope you enjoyed this little walk around video. There it is. That is the walk around of Kuantan City Mall, still under construction, scheduled to be finished by October of 2017. I hope you enjoyed that little walk around. And there it is. I'll be seeing you again with another video. Should be hopefully in August. Yeah. So we'll keep you updated here on my YouTube channel. Duncan Horn is my name. That's the name of my channel. Please like, subscribe, comment on my videos, and that'll be all from me today. Thanks a lot for watching. Goodbye.